What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best radiator stop leaks on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is K-Seal Coolant Leak Repair. K-Seal ST5501 Multi-Purpose Coolant Leak Repair is created to help drivers deal with engine cooling issues in a quick and simple way. This compact 8-ounce bottle provides a permanent fix for many common problems that appear in water-cooled engines. It is designed for convenience, making it a practical option for car owners and mechanics who want a reliable solution without complicated steps. The unique liquid formula works by locating cracks and holes inside the cooling system and sealing them securely. It can handle issues in radiators, cylinder head gaskets, freeze plugs, engine blocks, heater cores, and water pumps. Once added, it mixes with antifreeze and begins to form a lasting seal while allowing the cooling system to function normally. This means drivers can continue using their vehicle without worrying about further damage or the need for repeated treatments. Because it is made to work with all types of antifreeze, the product offers wide compatibility for different vehicles, including cars and light trucks with multiple cylinder engines. The repair is permanent and is intended to last for the lifetime of the engine, making it a cost-effective choice compared to expensive replacements or professional repair jobs. One of the main benefits of this solution is the ease of use. The process requires no flushing or draining, only shaking the bottle, pouring it into the coolant system, and then running the engine as usual. With its professional-grade strength, the formula has been independently tested and verified to meet high standards, adding extra confidence for users. Lightweight and compact, K-Seal ST5501 is trusted by drivers around the world. It delivers dependable results, helping restore performance while keeping the engine protected against overheating and coolant leaks. In our list, the number 4 product name is Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak. Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak is made to help drivers manage coolant system problems in a fast and dependable way. This compact 250 milliliter additive is created to blend smoothly with cooling water, delivering strong protection against leaks that may appear in different areas of the system. It is suitable for use in cars, trucks, and vans, making it a versatile option for many types of vehicles that depend on reliable cooling to run smoothly. When small cracks or holes appear inside the radiator or heating unit, coolant can escape and lead to bigger issues if not treated quickly. This solution is designed to seal those openings instantly, preventing fluid loss and allowing the vehicle to keep running without the need for immediate mechanical repair. By closing the leaks, it also helps protect the combustion chamber from damage that could result from coolant entering areas where it should not be. The product is safe for use in all standard water-based cooling and heating systems, whether or not they contain a filter. Once added, it works while the engine operates, offering a smooth sealing process that restores security within the system. Drivers do not need to carry out complicated steps, which makes it convenient for everyday use. By preventing coolant from escaping, the additive supports stable engine temperature, reducing the risk of overheating during operation. This not only improves reliability, but also extends the life of critical parts within the vehicle. Many drivers choose this solution because it provides a cost-effective way to maintain performance without visiting a workshop for minor leak problems. Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak is trusted by vehicle owners around the world and valued for its ease of use, quick action, and ability to give lasting protection against coolant loss. In our list, the number 3 product name is Leak's Cooling System Radiator Stop Leak. Leak's Cooling System Radiator Stop Leak is created to give vehicle owners a dependable way to handle common cooling troubles without major repairs. This product is packaged in a plastic can with a liquid volume of 16.9 fluid ounces and weighs around 0.8 pounds, making it easy to keep on hand whenever needed. The liquid aluminum formula is made to circulate throughout the cooling system once poured in. As it flows with the coolant, it seeks out weak spots such as tiny cracks or worn areas. When it reaches those points, it forms a strong seal that helps stop coolant from escaping. This process can address different types of issues like leaks in the radiator, heater core, head gasket, or even freeze plugs that may allow fluid loss. By closing these gaps, the solution helps restore the efficiency of the cooling system. Preventing coolant loss reduces the chances of overheating, which can protect important engine components from severe damage. Maintaining the proper temperature balance inside the system is essential for both performance and long-term reliability, and this liquid treatment is designed to support that process. Drivers often face the stress of unexpected coolant leaks that can lead to expensive repairs if ignored. A treatment like this offers a simpler and more cost-effective method of control. It is suitable for use in different types of vehicles and works without requiring disassembly or flushing, which makes it a practical option for everyday use. Leak's Radiator Stop Leak is trusted by many because of its ability to target multiple problem areas at once. With the convenience of a single-step application and the effectiveness of its sealing action, it provides an immediate way to keep engines protected and running at the correct operating temperature. In our list, the number 2 product name is Leak's Cooling System Radiator Stop Leak. Permatex Radiator Repair Stop Leak is a liquid solution created to help vehicle owners deal with common cooling system troubles in a simple and affordable way. Packaged in a 16 fluid ounce container, this product is lightweight at around 0.45 pounds and easy to store until needed. Its compact size makes it convenient to keep in a garage or vehicle for quick use whenever a coolant problem appears. The formula is developed to circulate smoothly within the cooling system without causing blockage. Once added, it flows with the coolant to locate weak spots such as cracks, worn areas, or small openings in different parts of the system. It can address issues in the radiator, heater core, engine block plugs, and even seepage around the head gasket. By sealing those points, it helps prevent fluid loss and allows the engine to keep its correct operating temperature. Protecting against coolant loss is important for maintaining engine performance and preventing overheating. When a system runs with the right balance, it can avoid damage to sensitive parts and extend the life of the vehicle. Using this type of repair treatment helps reduce the need for costly maintenance and provides a quick solution to leaks that could otherwise lead to larger problems. Another advantage of this radiator stop leak is that it can be used without any special tools. Vehicle owners can pour it directly into the cooling system and let the formula do the work, making it an easy option for anyone who wants to solve small leaks on their own. Permatex Radiator Repair Stop Leak gives confidence on the road by reducing the risk of overheating and improving reliability. With its ability to protect against leaks and support consistent performance, it offers an effective way to maintain a smooth-running engine. In our list, the number 1 product name is Permatex Radiator Repair Stop Leak. Permatex Radiator Repair Stop Leak is a liquid-based solution created for vehicle owners who want an affordable way to deal with coolant issues without complicated repairs. The container holds 16 fluid ounces of product and weighs around 7.2 ounces, making it light and easy to handle. Its compact size allows simple storage in a garage, toolbox, or even inside the car for use whenever a cooling system problem appears. The advanced silicone-based formula is made to flow through the cooling system without causing clogs. As it moves with the coolant, It finds small cracks, worn spots, or weak areas inside the radiator, heater core, head gasket region, and block plugs. Once applied, it seals those openings and helps maintain proper fluid levels. By keeping coolant from escaping, it supports steady temperature control and prevents overheating during daily driving or long trips. This radiator stop leak is designed to be simple for anyone to use. There is no need for extra equipment or technical skill, which makes it an effective option for drivers who prefer to handle small repairs themselves. A quick pour into the system allows the liquid to work on its own and create a durable seal. Maintaining proper coolant circulation is important for protecting engine components and extending vehicle life. Overheating can lead to expensive damage, but a reliable sealant reduces that risk. By offering protection against leaks, this solution helps drivers keep their engines running smoothly and safely. Permatex Radiator Repair Stop Leak delivers a practical way to restore confidence in a vehicle by reducing coolant loss and securing long-term reliability. It combines ease of use with protective performance, making it a dependable choice for handling common cooling system troubles.